Meet iPaint, the smart way to turn your favorite memories into real works of art. Got a blank space on the wall? Some flowers fade, but the ones that made you smile? iPaint helps you keep them forever. With iPaint's advanced AI, your favorite photo transforms into a paint-by-number canvas in minutes. Just snap it, tap it, and watch as iPaint brings your memories to life effortlessly and instantly. A lifelong passion or a new hobby? iPaint seamlessly adapts to you. Just pick your moment and let every stroke breathe. Feeling inspired? Explore endless library of templates, textures, and fonts, and turn your ideas into personalized art that tells your story. From the bouquet on the table to gallery wall, iPaint makes art that feels like home. And when time's short, even better. With iPaint's AI model, your creativity has no limits. You can turn any idea into a unique hand-painted card for your close ones in minutes. Express love, friendship, or gratitude. Thoughtful, handmade, and right on time. Every memory deserves its own masterpiece. Painted with care and remembered with a smile. iPaint the moment.